front running, yeah. Not necessary, personal choice, but yeah, and that's, here's the key to trading, right? Nothing is mandatory in trading. It is all up to you. Every single thing in trading is all up to you. There is nothing that is mandatory aside from following rules. That's the only thing. You should have rules. Doesn't matter what your rules are. Hopefully there are rules that set you up to be profitable, but you make whatever. But that's the only thing that matters in trading. You have to follow your rules. But you don't have to front run. You don't have to take Gartleys at a specific point. You don't have to exit a specific way. You don't have to trade structure a certain way, right? The key that we're doing here with trading, right? We're not here at Tier 1. We're not telling you how to trade. We're teaching you how to trade. We're teaching you a skill set that you can take and become the type of trader that fits you, right? We're not trying to fit you into a mold saying everyone has to trade this specific way, because as human beings, we're all different. Some of us are more risky than others. Some of us are more conservative. Some of us believe in structure. Some of us believe in indicators. Some of us love patterns. Some of us don't love patterns, right? We're all different. We're not trying to fit, right, a square peg into a circle hole, right? We're trying to give you a skill set, give you an overall skill set, and we're giving you specific strategies and whatnot. We're giving you our opinions and my 12 years of experience in the market, Jason Graystone's 8 or so years experience in the market, Darren and OG's experience in the market. We're giving you all those experiences to kind of help you navigate those obstacles. But the goal is to help you, give you a skill set where you can become the trader that fits you, right? A custom built suit, right? I got this email the other day from a trader who's like, check out this website. Let me know what you think. And it was like harmonic trading scams. And it was something about that Scott Carney guy. And I don't know if the guy had he was like I didn't really look at it because I didn't really care to waste my time with it. But I scrolled through. That way I didn't have to lie and be like, yeah, I looked at it. And it was like a MyFX book of this guy who was, I guess, trying to prove that patterns didn't work. And he was like, there's my track record of patterns and this and that and blah, blah, blah. And they don't work and it's scams. And everyone that trades patterns are bad and blah, 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 blah. And the email was like, what do you think about this? And I said, well, I really don't care about it. I've personally been pretty profitable trading patterns. So it doesn't really mean much for me. But here's the thing, right? I didn't feel like wasting time and going into any more detail. But so this person, I'm not saying that he's lying about his results. I'm not saying that this person purposely went out there and created fake results on my FX book and all this stuff. Because first of all, you guys do know that, right? Right? You guys do know that, like all that, people bragging stuff about my FX book. You can finagle all that stuff to make it show what you want to show. I hope you're aware of that. I hope you're aware of that. Yeah, so people that are like, oh yeah, look at my FX book. I made 1,000% this month. Yeah, you happen to delete the negative trades, right? So first and foremost, you can do that. You can manipulate it, which is why it's highly overrated. But most people don't know that, and they just, oh yeah, look at that. Anyway, so I'm not saying that this trader did that. This trader could have legitimately went and traded patterns for a month and got these results that were bad, right? Does that mean that Taylor is going to have the same results? Does that mean that Jesse's going to have the same results? Does that mean that Craig is going to have the same results, or Lynn's going to have the same results, or Mike's going to have the same results? No. First of all, this guy he probably didn't backtest. So maybe he's trading pattern formations on a pair that doesn't work well with pattern formations, right? You guys ever test dollar Canada for advanced pattern formations? Oh. Right? Not all pairs, not all patterns, not all time frames are going to show the same results. Rain just said Canada yen, the worst. Right? Very seasonal for patterns. A good example right there. If this trader never backtested and went straight on to trading CAD yen at a certain time of the year and got blasted, well, he's going to have bad results. A true professional trader, what do? We backtest. We look at the results. We say, okay, well, dollar or Canada yen, a little too choppy for me, probably shouldn't make the cut for my portfolio. We go to trade the pairs that are consistently profitable. 2, who knows what type of rules this trader is trading? How is he entering? How is he exiting? Maybe his targets are too far away. Maybe his stops are too close. Maybe he's not even using, I don't want to say the correct Fibonacci ratios, because you can use whatever you want, but maybe he's using a different set of Fibonacci ratios than someone else. Right? You can't just be like, this strategy is bad. This strategy was bad for me, therefore it's bad for everyone. You got to be an idiot to think that way. And I shouldn't say an idiot, but you got to be undereducated to think that way. It means you don't have an understanding of what trading really is. And trading is a personalized piece of clothing for each individual. Even in this room, right? 40 traders in this room. I guarantee none of us trade exactly the same. What do you guys think? I'm sure we have pattern traders in here. We have structure traders in here. Do we all trade exactly the same? Yeah, and idiot was the wrong word. Undereducated. Because you don't know if you don't know. You don't know if you don't know. But none of us trade exactly the same. So stuff like that, I mean, I know for me, obviously for me, it doesn't affect me because I'm like, okay, I've made money for a long time trading patterns. So like, you can tell me all this stuff you want about how patterns don't work. I'm not going to stop trading it. I get that a lot of my YouTube videos too, where it's like, you know, this doesn't work. Why are you trading it? Because it's consistently made me money. So why should I not trade it? I'm just going to stop. Oh, you know what? I've been consistently profitable for like 10 years now, but because you said it doesn't work, maybe I will stop. Maybe I should stop right now. You know what? Yeah, I'm done. I'm done. You know what? This was a 10-year fluke. 10-year fluke. Throwing it out. Yeah, all right. But we need to understand that. We need to understand that. Pattern trading may not work for this trader. It could even go as far as maybe his eyes just aren't trained to recognize them the right way. Maybe you were to look at his whatever results were, and you would notice that, hey, that's not a pattern. That's not a Gartley. Oh, that A leg was violated. Oh, that C leg never completed. It could be, there's so many moving pieces, you just don't know. At the end of the day, all that matters is you have to be truthful with yourself, right? I don't understand why people care what other people are doing, right? If you're skeptical about patterns, right? Go out and test them. Learn them, test them. If they don't work, don't trade them. And that goes for any system, right? If you have a question, does this this 2618 thing really work? Learn how to trade, learn how to identify 2618s, learn how to trade them, test them. Your answer will be right there. You don't have a question anymore. Your results will tell you the answer. Well, Akil, I don't know if they're profitable or not. What do your results say? Well, my results say they were, but I don't know. Why don't you know? Come on, man.